Today I'm going to talk to you about listing violations. And I want to talk to you about number one, the unique category where you have to look for your listing violations on your Seller Central account health page. It's in a special section. You need to know how to find it. If you don't know where to find it, you can contact us for help, or you can search our blog for where to look for this particular aspect, this particular data point for Amazon sellers. Also, when it comes to a listing violation, those issues could be multiple different problems with your Amazon listing. It could be it's a food product, could be the wrong category, could be a safety issue, it could be a restricted product. But what you need to know right now, what we are seeing right now, is that a lot of listing violations are really copyright complaints that are being hidden from you by Amazon. We don't know if this is purposeful, if Amazon is purposely hiding the ball, that they don't want you to know there's a copyright issue, or what I think is much more likely is that it is just another glitch in Amazon's system. So here's the takeaway. If you have a listing issue against one of your best-selling products or one of your weaker products, make sure you didn't use somebody else's images. Make sure you didn't copy and paste somebody else's verbiage. And if you didn't create the listing, maybe the person or company that created the listing that you are now jumping on, they violated someone's copyright interests. Be careful when it comes to listing suspensions. It could be multiple issues, and as of late, it has been a lot of copyright issues. If you would like to learn more about copyright law as it specifically pertains to Amazon sellers, we wrote the book. We wrote a book, Trademark Law for Amazon Sellers, How to Avoid Amazon Suspensions and How to Write Killer Plans of Action. We wrote an entire law book specifically about Amazon issues. Also, please like this video, please share this video, and please make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. That's how you get the latest information that you need to know to continue to crush it on Amazon.